Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do mixed media art. For that we need a lot of newspapers, acrylic paints, watercolors, soft brushes and hard brushes. Fold those newspapers around the board and secure them with paper clips. Draw the outline of the painting with a dark shade pencil. Here I have used 6B pencil. Her eyes may seem emotionless, but it has a little spark. I love to draw her eyes for two reasons. Number one, they are super easy to draw, and number two, they are very beautiful. Her eyebrows are also very simple to draw. To be honest, her face is very adorable with no sharp features. So the outline of the drawing is complete. Starting with the black acrylic color, I'll complete the outline of the drawing. Use a thin brush to draw the outline with the black acrylic color. The right side of the painting shows her cold nature, that she doesn't care about her haters. The right side shows her warm-heartedness towards her loved ones. The reference for this part is taken from the Vogue cover photograph. This photo easily helped me to draw her warm-heartedness with all those flowers in her beautifully designed dress. I really enjoyed drawing this portrait, especially these beautiful flowers. I chose this green shade for two reasons. Number one, it's a favorite color, and number two, it would help me to give the coldness that I need in this side. Here also I chose for two reasons. Number one, it's a favorite color, and number two, it will help me to give the necessary warmth in this side. I first came to know about her favorite color in her song All Good Girls Go to Hell. She said, I'm not your friend without some greenery. And later I got confirmed through one of her interview. Again I painted her coat blue to show the coldness. Avoid using layers in the painting as it's just a newspaper. Now moving towards her skin. I'll color some of the larger flowers in her dress to make it more attractive. Now I have covered the left side of the painting and her face with newspaper. Covering with a masking tape is not a good idea. Adding some colors to the flowers. She is one of my favorite artists. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment box about this painting. Don't forget to leave a like on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep supporting me. Thanks for watching.